So every single day I get 18 to 21 people who want to apply to work with my agency. And I only have 5 minutes because I have to go here. I want to share with you the exact strategy that helps me create this recruiting flywheel. And last month, my agency did over $1 million of final expense life insurance. I'm going to share with you if you're trying to build an agency, recruit people. I've built the strategy that has cost me $0 and gets me 18 to 20 plus people that work with me every single day. And the first thing that I do, that I focus on for the last 3.5, 4 years, is I create free long form content like this on YouTube. But here's the secret behind creating the long form content. My whole content strategy is to give all of my stuff away for free. I'm trying to solve the struggles and things that I went through as a life insurance agent, whether it's objection, sales training, generating leads, and I want to give that all away for free on YouTube. But most importantly, I led with one strategy when building this content, is that I wanted to do and I wanted to show rather than be a theorist. Most life insurance content guys out there talk about here's what you do, here's what you should do, here's what you should do, but they don't actually show you how. And that has been my whole strategy from the beginning. Me getting on live sales calls, me overcoming objections, me documenting how to get to $1 million per month life insurance agent, me actually doing it. And I think most people have the wrong content strategy. They try to preach, but they don't actually do the work that's actually going to show people that this person has the credibility. And for the first year as a life insurance agent, I wanted to build my credibility. I wanted to build a name for myself, so I did. I didn't create much content. My first year, I didn't recruit a single person. I created free content and I actually sold over $500,000 of life insurance. That gave me the reason and the credibility for someone to even want to listen to me, okay? So you have to build the credibility of why people should even watch your content. Secondly, I never hard recruited or hard sold anybody. And this is my core strategy because most people that come to me have been like, Peter, I've been watching you for 2.5 years. And I've been from IMO to IMO to IMO, and I just finally want to work with you. I'm tired of it. I'm like, okay, so tell me about this. When you've been struggling at these other companies, like, what type of support did you get? What type of training did you get? How did you improve? Well, they told me to watch your videos. And I was like, you finally now want to work with me? Why not just come work with me now? And that was the whole goal of my strategy, is to give it away, but ultimately to never ask, to never sell something. I didn't have a lead course. I could go out there right now and sell leads for $25 and make dumb money. I could go out there and recruit people into a massive MLM company and just be okay with taking all their dollars when they're trying to come into business. But no, what I did through my strategy and what I focused on is protecting my reputation. And that comes to thanks to my business partner, Micah, who's always said, if you build the best reputation in this business, people will trust you and they'll continue to work for you. And this is my whole thing, right? I don't want to sell you anything. I don't want you to join my team if you don't want to work with me. I don't want you to buy my leads. I don't want that. I want to give you the full package, the experience, so that once you are ready, I can train you, I can invest in you, I can give you the systems, and I can actually help you succeed. So my content strategy, and the second thing I did, is that I never wanted to ask. I always wanted people to come to me and say like, hey, we got a guy coming from behind me. I wanted people to come to me on exactly how I can help them through this process. And I think there's just so many slimy people in this industry, and so many insurance agents can feel this now, where they always have to sell you something. Buy this, come to this event, buy. But if you look, for me, I have none of that, because I generally just want to help people. I generally just want to serve people, and eventually, through the pain, here's the secret. Eventually, I know most life insurance agents have these great schemes like, oh, you're gonna make all this money, come in here, you're gonna get rich quick. Go do those while you watch my content, because I guarantee you're gonna come back around. And there's been so many people that have gone through those experiences and like, hey, Peter, after 3 years, I'm ready to do that. So give all your best stuff away for free and protect your reputation. And the third thing that I focused on was just creating that educational course. So you can see I have more free stuff. I have a school community. I have a course that you can watch. And I just wanted to do as much as I can for you guys. And I wanted to put myself into your shoes. I'm never an agency owner that is better than you. And I stay in tune with where you're at as an agent. I'm not on stage. I'm not trying to speak from my high horse. I'm this big agency owner. I'm not trying to flex. I just wanted to be a person, because I am a person who is a life insurance agent at heart that knows exactly what you're going through. And I've wanted to stay in the game from the beginning. And I didn't want to live this fake life. And most importantly, I think going into 2026 through content strategy, the people that are most genuine, the people that can not live this fake life are going to be weeded out, and that's the content that people are wanting to enjoy. So what I've always thought about is, we're coming up on 5 minutes here and I gotta go, is give your best stuff away for free. Stay authentic to who you are and be patient. Create for years, 3 years, 4 years. I'm gonna do this for 8 years. I'm gonna do this, God willing, for 10 years, giving all your best stuff away for free, never asking for a handout, never asking for a quick dollar, never asking to sell someone something and then they leave discouraged. Give it all away for free. And the person that can hold their breath the longest, as Gary Vee says, will win in this industry. Disregard all this fake stuff in the industry that you're gonna get all these recruits. It takes time. It takes you building, but it takes a heart right here of serving. And if you do that, that's my strategy, and that's how you win in 2026. Cheers.